Faster, more efficient charging times 2. Introducing the 18-volt lithium-ion dual-port rapid Optimum charger. Unlike common sequential multi-port chargers, the DC18RD charges two 18-volt batteries at the same time with the same fastest charge times as the single-port charger. This gives tool users unmatched charging efficiency, so batteries spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. The efficient charging system communicates with the battery's built-in chip during the charging process. The battery and charger work together to help optimize battery life by actively controlling current, voltage, and temperature. And the built-in fan circulates air through the battery during charging to cool the battery. That means faster charge times. It includes a convenient USB port for charging your portable electronic devices. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.